Clinical research recruiters play a vital role in the development of new drugs and therapies. They are responsible for finding and recruiting eligible participants to participate in clinical trials. This can be a challenging task, as participants must meet specific criteria in order to be eligible. What is a clinical research recruiter? A clinical research recruiter is a healthcare professional who is responsible for finding and recruiting eligible participants to participate in clinical trials. Clinical research recruiters use a variety of methods to find potential participants, including patient databases, social media, and direct outreach. Once a potential participant has been identified, the clinical research recruiter will work with them to determine if they are eligible for the clinical trial. The recruiter will also answer any questions that the participant may have about the trial. If the participant is eligible for the clinical trial, the clinical research recruiter will help them to enroll in the trial. Why are clinical research recruiters important? Clinical research recruiters play an important role in the development of new drugs and therapies. By finding and recruiting eligible participants, they help to ensure that these trials are successful. Clinical trials are the final step in the drug development process, and they are essential for determining the safety and efficacy of new drugs and therapies. Without clinical research recruiters, it would be much more difficult to find and recruit eligible participants for clinical trials. How to choose a clinical research recruiter? When choosing a clinical research recruiter, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Experience. Make sure the recruiter has experience recruiting participants for clinical trials in your therapeutic area. Reputation. Do some research to make sure the recruiter has a good reputation. Services. Make sure the recruiter offers the services you need, such as patient databases, social media marketing, and direct outreach. Cost. Get quotes from several recruitment agencies to compare prices. Conclusion. Working with a clinical research recruiter can be a valuable asset for your clinical trial. By using a recruiter with experience, a good reputation, and the services you need, you can increase your chances of successfully recruiting participants for your trial.